should put some. Hey guys, and welcome to the vlogs. I am going to be going on a cruise in a few days in Europe. I want to bring you guys along and show you guys what I'm gonna bring and some packing tips, hopefully that will help you when you have to pack for a trip. So we're gonna be gone for a little bit more than a week, and the only suitcase that we're allowed to bring that's for free is a carry-on this small, this tiny. So I had to strategically think what to bring, what to not bring. Open this package right here. Got this chrome silk Pravana black hair dye because I'm gonna be dyeing my hair because I missed some spots when I dyed it black. You can see over here it's like pretty light, so I missed that part. Basically the top of my head is pretty light because I missed a lot of spots, so I want to fix it before I go so I don't look like a crazy person. I got some TSA lock to lock my suitcase while we are out and about traveling. Yeah, let's go and dye my hair real quick. Good morning guys, so it's the next day and this is what my hair looks like. So much better than what it was before. I've been just like jotting down things to pack. I like to write things out and visualize so you see like all the things I need to bring. Okay, sorry for this really weird angle. So I already got like all my undergarments in here that I wanted to bring. I'm just gonna put some of the case in here and then the clothes in here. You can save a lot on space when you roll your clothes. 3 pans, 1, 2, 3, and it's already half full. Okay guys, so I just finished packing and this is what it looks like. The noise, the background noise is the laundry machine, but it's pretty packed in here. I don't know how I'm gonna really close it. Yay! I can't believe I fit everything in here. In a stick that is in like a tub, so you can just dip it. You don't have to squirt it out onto paper. Alright guys, so we just got into our cabin. It's really hot because it was like literally a maze to find our room number because the numbers are kind of all jumbled up. Like I don't know what system they have, it's just all over the place. But we finally found it and it's really warm in here and I'm wearing 2 layers, so I'm sweating so bad. I'm gonna do a room tour for you guys. Okay, so here is the door and then we can hang coats on this side. Over here is the bathroom. I haven't even checked out the bathroom yet. Oh, it's pretty spacious. Oh, there's a step up. Actually, I won't step in just because I'm wearing my sneakers. There's a sink, mirror, and like a shower. It's pretty spacious. All right, so then when you come out of the bathroom, and there's a mirror, my sister, and we have the TV, information, remote, and the phone, and we have trash can, and it's really cool that they separate it. Then over here we have the closet. Lots of hangers and lots of space. Over here we have a queen size bed and it's really spacious here. And then we have a mirror and a small chair, a mini bar, refrigerator, some cups, ice box, water boiler. I think this is the pool towels. And yeah, and then little small tables on each side. That is our room. Explore more later on. Right now we're just gonna chill in here. Oh, the sunset's so pretty. This is the pool. Just finished eating at their buffet and now we're up here. It's so cold. Oh, there's like little jacuzzi over there. It's so pretty. It's the sun setting. Look, piano with sparkles. Oh yeah. Alright, so we are back in our room after doing the what's called the drill, emergency drill, where they tell you where to go in case there's like an emergency or you need to like get off the boat. We're just organizing our stuff in our rooms and getting ready for dinner. We're gonna go to dinner at 8 and it's currently 7:19, so we still have like 40 minutes. Ooh, wow, that's this nice light. Oh my god, now it looks so much better on camera. So she also bought like hooks. My sister bought hooks to hang in the background, so that's why there's things hanging in the background. Apparently the walls of the rooms are made of metal, so you can bring like a magnet hook and it'll stick on. I just wanted to show you guys this towel that my mom found because I was like, I need a face towel to wipe my face, because the towels that they give you at Airbnbs or the cruise or hotels or anything is obviously like washed and used by a lot of people. So I don't care about like the body, but the face is most important. Like you breathe and your, you know, mouth and everything goes inside your stomach, whatever, germs and everything, like nothing. So I bought our own towel and look how cute. She gave me this one to use. This one was like, she said that we used to have, this is our old towel, like when we were younger. Yeah, it's really cute. I'm just gonna hang it in the bathroom now. Lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's the layers. Add it up, plus sign, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the bill later. Wanna make it bigger, just a little bit of flavor showing up to my space, I'm a fashion dealer. I'm your biggest bidder, meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams. I'm not just a visionary, it's all making sense to me. Not a basic, ain't no ordinary. Stay put, we gon' get higher. You're the product, I could be your buyer. Under these lucid dreams. So I got you something. Find your PJs. Oh my god, they're so cute. Yeah, you can pick one first. Oh, Ta-da! No.
So cute.
Okay.
Did not look washed.
I washed them both.
I like this one.
Okay. Wait.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So cute.
We're gonna go shower now. It's literally 12 a.m. We're so tired. So we're gonna shower and I'm gonna show you guys wearing our PJs. Wearing my cute PJs.
Me and my girlies, we gon' party till it's early, got me feeling.
We're gonna go sleep now, so good night. Good night. See you in the next vlog. Bye.
Under these lucid dreams, yeah, I'm not just a visionary. It's all making sense to me, not a basic